My name is Craig Shallenhammer. I'm the president and founder of AWR, and I'm also an Oracle DBA just like you. Every Oracle DBA needs to be really good. No, every Oracle DBA must master AWR report analysis. If you're not mastering AWR report analysis, then your market value is significantly reduced. And eventually, you're going to be replaced, either by the machine or by another Oracle DBA. My AWR LVC is constructed to ensure this does not happen to you. In fact, I want you to thrive and have an awesome career. And part of that will be analyzing AWR reports. I believe this so much, I created an insane guarantee for this class that includes a full refund. And I'm going to explain that to you in just a couple minutes. So you may be wondering, hey, Craig, why is your AWR class so unique? Why is it so special and different from every other AWR class that's out there? I want to summarize it to you like this. If after the first session and completing the homework, if you are unable to take any single instance AWR report and within 20 minutes set up your analysis, please ask me for a complete refund. I'm totally serious about this. But I'm going to go even further than this. If after the final 7th session, you are unable to demonstrate how Oracle collects CPU consumption and determines wait time, again, please ask for a full refund. I will teach you how to do this using an AWR report and accessing the underlying AWR tables. Essentially, I'm going to show you how to link your solutions all the way from the user experience all the way down to the operating system and how Oracle determines CPU consumption and when processes are unable to consume CPU. In fact, I will teach you how to demonstrate this yourself. Just imagine the confidence you will have in your solutions when you can do this kind of thing. That's next level analysis. So how am I going to teach you all this stuff? Well, the best way I can do that is to briefly introduce the class to you. Like with all my LVCs, I've structured this class for the realities of a DBA's lifestyle. That means I have multiple 2-hour sessions with a 10-minute break in there. You have homework after each session, and I always try and put at least one day in between the sessions because production stuff happens. And every session is recorded. So if you miss a session, you can watch it. And if you want to rewatch a session years into the future, you can do the same thing. Every one of the 7 sessions in my AWR LVC has 1 or 2 very specific objectives. That's what I want to share with you right now. I entitled Session 1, AWR Report Analysis Setup in 30 minutes or less. It's all about the ORAPUB AWR Analysis Framework, so you can do a really fast and accurate analysis. And I want you to be able to explain your analysis process and the solutions to anyone. Also, how to pick the most impactful solutions, which is usually just 1 or 2 of those. Session 2, I entitled Finding the True Top SQL. The first thing we're going to talk about is well, how do you even define what that means? Well, I'm going to tell you and show you how to do that. I will also introduce to you the ORAPUB 3 circle analysis, which gives us a very balanced and inclusive analysis. Session 3, I entitled this Integrating Your Operating System Analysis. So this means I'm going to teach you how to find the operating system bottleneck using only AWR data and how to integrate your operating system analysis within the broader AWR analysis. Session 4 is entitled Oracle Time Model Deep Dive with a CPU Focus. I'm going to show you how to check if the time model is actually working as expected. And the focus is going to be on CPU in this session, so I'm actually going to demonstrate and show you how to demonstrate how Oracle determines CPU consumption. Session 5 is entitled Oracle Time Model Deep Dive with a Wait Time Focus. What I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate to you, I'm going to show you, and you can do the same thing. I'm going to show you how Oracle determines the wait time. And session 6 is entitled Rapid Fire AWR Analysis by Precision Simplification. I'm going to take our framework and simplify it even further So you can very quickly just come up with solutions, and you can invalidate other solutions that people might have that you know just don't make sense. And I'm going to show you how to do this incredibly fast. Session 7 is entitled Breaking the Impasse Using Wait Event Time Data Analysis. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the event histogram data. And this gives us incredible power because we will have more than just the average wait time. When you dig into this, we will uncover some mysteries about the wait time that you just cannot get by looking at the average. And it's really helpful in understanding what's really going on at a lower level. I do believe my AWR LVC is the best AWR class in the world. And that's why I created this insane guarantee. Okay, get this. Here's my guarantee. If you attend all the sessions, live or recorded, follow the steps I teach you, you do the homework, and you ask me for any help that you need. If you do that, then if you are not able to do the analysis setup within 30 minutes, or if you are not able to derive multiple solutions, if you're not able to rank the solutions on expected performance improvement, if you are not able to integrate the operating system analysis into your Oracle time-based analysis, if you are not able to define the characteristics of the most important SQL statement or statements, then please ask for a full refund. So there you go. That's my LVC, Tuning Oracle Using an AWR Report in a nutshell. If you have any questions or like some more information, please go ahead and email me. I look forward to having you in my next class.